안녕하세요. Well, what is the high frequency word course on studymong.com? Many courses, like video courses, are passive. They are designed for you to just watch one video after another. It can be helpful in learning certain skills, but it's not particularly helpful in learning a language. You can understand concepts through watching a video, but the goal of this course isn't to be passive. It's to help you to become an active learner, to memorize these vocabulary words, and to help you put them into practice. So how does it do that? Well, I picked one of the lessons here, just kind of randomly, words 141 to 160, so you can see, and it starts right off the bat with a flashcard game. This game uses spaced repetition, so it's going to bring words back as you need to know them. It's going to bring them back frequently so that you can practice them, and it's going to test you on them. So let's just take a look at how it works real quick. When you start off, I'll just reset this here. If you scroll down a little bit, you have your settings, reset deck, I press OK. That will completely reset your history. This game, when you come back to it on the same device, your history will be saved. But if you delete your cookies or your browser history, or you press that button, it will remove your history. So, anyways, let's say first off it asks you what do you want to not study, and perhaps maybe you know a few of these words already. Maybe you know the word okay. Maybe you know the word like flu already. And you know the word bay already, so okay, we'll just remove those. Then we can say we just want to study indefinitely. Maybe you only have 10 minutes, or you're trying to set goals, so you can set a timer for yourself where the game will stop after that timer's up. No harm, no foul. If however far you get is fine. But you can do no timer if this timer stresses you out. And then you go to the bottom and just press start. It's going to give you a picture. It's going to give you a word which has audio, a sentence example which has audio when you click on it. Alright, so it's going to introduce the word to you, and it'll do a few words at a time to kind of help you get them in the mix, so to speak. But after you do a few of them, now it's going to start testing you. So this word, the center of something, the issue, the idea, well, what is that word? We just learned Jia. You can click on it, it'll play the audio. And it's going to keep testing you in that same way. So Z, Ma, it'll introduce another word. Well, what is the purpose of this game? Over time, it will keep testing you and help you put these words into your memory. But what else is in the lesson? Let's say that some of these words, for example, maybe the word isn't fully clear enough and you need more information than just one sentence example. Well, as you scroll down, we have a vocabulary list for the lesson. And then for each word, we have our word with a basic meaning. We have our picture. We have an explanation. Sometimes they're a bit longer for more grammar-focused words, and sometimes they're pretty straightforward. And then for every word in the lesson, we have a dictionary lookup. So whenever there's a Hmong word or a word that is in the dictionary in Hmong, it will look it up, and as you hover over that word, it will give you the definition or definitions with sentence examples. So all these things combined, including the audio in the lesson here, there's audio for all of these, including the sentence examples. All this is going to help you really understand the meaning of these vocabulary words. The flashcard game will help you to practice and then put it into your memory. And then of course the goal of the course is to introduce you and help you to memorize some of the most frequent words in the Hmong language. It'll be like a crash course to get you conversing or conversational in the Hmong language. It gives you the tools you need to make sentences and to ultimately have conversations. It isn't super easy because it is active, right? But then learning a language is not particularly easy. However, this course will give you the tools you need to learn quickly and efficiently. I hope you enjoy it.